Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your computer name on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon down in our taskbar. It appears as a little magnifying glass, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to go search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons and then scroll down and select User Accounts. Go ahead and select that. And then select where it says Change Your Account Name. And then insert whatever you want your new account name to be. Select Change Name once you're done with that change. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.